Hey everyone, Casey here. I've got 2 trade ideas for tomorrow. So let's get ready. I want to cover them right away. I think there's a great opportunity here. I'm going to be watching for these. I'm going to be trading them. I want you guys to be able to get them too. So we're going to start with one stock and one currency. So let's jump to the chart. We're going to look at AMD. Now, based on some of my analysis, you know, September's a down month a lot of times in the past. And if we look at SPY, my trade is AMD, but if you look at SPY, it's below the moving average. We had an up right in the middle, and now we're pushing. So I'm going to say we're going to push down tomorrow. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at. And so let's go to AMD. With that in mind, we had a little bit of a bounce up here. We're about halfway up. We're right at resistance here. You can see right here, if I just draw this line here, we're right there. Okay, right at resistance. Now, if we go to a lower time frame, let's just take a look at the 1 hour here. You're going to notice every time it gets up, it drops. Up, it drops. Up, it drops. And so now we're down here today, and either we're gonna do 2 things at this point. We're gonna just crush down lower, or I mean, there's a million things that it can do, but this is what I'm gonna be trading. We're either gonna crush down lower, or we're gonna pop up into this 106, 107 area. And that's really the trade that I want to do. I want to see this come up here into this resistance zone over here, and then I want to sell. And the way that I'm going to do that is with an option, and I'm going to buy a put. So if we get it up to, at this point, you can see the puts are about $4 or $5 at the 107 area. But if it's in the money, it's going to change the price. But if price comes up to 4 or 5, I'm going to buy a put, right? And so there you just put your buy order entry, you buy a put, and then when price comes right back down, you know, back down to 100 or below, which I think it could be a really nice quick win, day trade in and out. Now, of course, you obviously want to watch your levels here. If it keeps going up above this zone here, you want to just get out of the trade, right? So I'm going to try to get in around here. If it doesn't work, no big deal. You just take your lumps and move on. And that's how trading works, right? All right. So that's AMD. That's the trade for tomorrow. Now let's take a look at the currency play. All right. So on the currency side of things, I'm looking at the pound dollar. And you're going to notice here that we've been going down quite a bit. And we're at a pretty nice resistance area. We've got resistance here, 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 and we're just right about there. So what I'm looking for is to see if price will spike down a little bit more around 123.50, 123 area, and I'm going to be buying, right? And so if we can get down here, I'm going to be looking for a buy. If that doesn't happen, if price breaks out early, I'm just going to take a buy on a break of a trend line. So pretty simple stuff. I'm going to be trading these, and let me know in the comments if you're interested in that and how you do. But those are my 2 trades for tomorrow. Should be a pretty straightforward day. Just try to monitor the charts, see what's happening in the markets, make it happen. All right, well, hopefully that's something you guys are interested in. But let me know how it goes for everybody. Thanks, and we'll keep you posted on the next video.